Hey guys, Chris Lamm here, and this is the market update for the month of May. Thank you guys for checking it out. I want to talk about a couple things. You know, right now here in Shasta County, as well as throughout the rest of the state, we're experiencing a lot of markets that are having low inventory. And so buyers that are entering the market, whether they're first-time buyers or move-up buyers that are looking to sell a house and buy another one, they're experiencing difficulties finding homes, or when they find a house, they're finding that it's a very competitive market, multiple offers, etc. Now, this is nothing new. For the last year, several years, we've seen markets like this, and certainly right now, it's one of the hottest markets we've seen in a long time. And so, one of the things we're noticing, a lot of our clients are asking us, what does it look like to build a house? And so, I thought that was a really great topic to talk about right now. Now, here in Shasta County, there's not as much new construction as you might find in a market not far from here in Sacramento or in the Bay Area, where it's absolutely exploding. There's a lot of reasons why, but I'm not going to go into that. What I want to talk about is the options that are available in this market. And there's three different ways that we're seeing people buy new construction now. Now, one of the easiest ways is to go to one of our local developments. We have several with really quality homes and great builders that have homes that are starting right around 300 and go as high as 500,000-600,000. Now, these are homes that are typically already built, or the plans are in place, so you can put down a deposit. You're gonna have a 3 to 6 month time frame, and you'll have a brand new house. A lot of times with this, you can do standard financing. You don't have to get construction financing, a simple pre-approval letter, and you can go ahead and buy that house, and we have lots of clients doing that right now. One of the other ways that people are building homes is doing what we call spec homes, and that's where they locate a builder that has some property and is willing to build the house to spec. It's not real custom. It's going to be maybe some plans that they already had in place for that particular property, and they build the house for you. Now, this is another option where you can sometimes acquire new construction, buy a new house without having to go out and get construction financing. You can get a normal loan. The builder typically, or most of the time, will build the house on their own dollar. Once a home's complete, we then complete the financing. And the third option is going out and getting a construction loan or securing a construction loan. And this is one of the, I would say, more common things that we talk to people about. And so what this looks like is if you want to build a custom house, or you want to find a lot and go ahead and kind of be a little bit more in control of that process, what you'd have to do is go out and secure construction financing. And we have several partners that we work with here locally that do a great job with that. And what happens is basically it's a two-loan process. You secure the financing to build the house, secure the lot. Once the home's done, I then come in and refinance it, pay that loan off, and put you in a more of a long-term type of a product. So in a nutshell, that's how construction financing works and building new construction here in Shasta County. There are a couple other options out there, but those are the three main ones. If you have questions on this or anything else, you can always call me. The last thing I always like to talk on is what's going on with interest rates. Last month, in the month of, I'm drawing blank here, the month of April, we saw rates come down, way down again, and a lot of people were able to take advantage of rates in the threes again. And so that's definitely part of why the market's so hot right now. This month we're still seeing great rates, and the expectation is that this year rates should stay somewhat low. It's an election year. The Federal Reserve continues to be dovish in her comments about raising rates. They did raise rates once at the end of last year. It didn't really have that much of an impact on rates. I've talked about that multiple times. And looking down here real quick at a slide, 2016 second quarter, a lot of people are projecting, including Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, rates are going to be right around 3.875 for the 30-year fix, all the way into the first quarter of next year, where they're not projecting to be much higher, maybe 4.25 if anything. And so they will be slightly higher from what a lot of analysts believe, but they're not going to be much higher. And I think this year is going to be a really great year for people that are both selling and buying. So again, any questions on anything real estate related, I hope you know you can call me anytime. And I thank you guys for watching this month's video blog.